Good evening. This side Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer Treasury Consulting and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a multi-million valuation group because we are 100% cash rich group, and all entities of treasury consulting is in profits. So unlike Ola, Uber, Paytm, Swiggy, Zomato, Policy Bazaar, Nikea, Byju's, Delhi Valley, and all these great institutions, we are not a unicorn, but we are 100% profitable company and would continue to be with 0% debt. I repeat, 0% debt. Many people on internet write to me, whether this is LinkedIn, whether this is WhatsApp, whether this is YouTube, whether this is my personal email ID, whether this is SMS messages or any other form, Facebook, Twitter, that you should contact private equity and venture capitalist firm and get money and expand yourself, because their mindset is like that. This is the mindset. And in 2018 onwards, I would say, we are living in a world of revenue rather than living in a world of profits. Like Steve Jobs always stressed on profitability. He was very clear that I am going to be increasing the value of my product, the the expertise in my product, but I am not going to be fighting for throwaway profits. My product is valuable product. I will decide the price. Go to hell, you will not decide the price. And I think this is one of the best moves Apple always contains. That's one of the reason Apple holding near about 250 billion of annual sales, with more than 200 billion on a consolidated level as a free cash in their books. But the world have only Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and few such companies who are profitable. Because now we are living in a world of revenue, wherein everyone is chasing revenue. Go to hell the profits, and then boom. Today, yet another story I would be bringing, which I have downloaded from internet, studied it, and I would be bringing before you. This story is nothing but an education platform, EdTech, Coursera. So the title is Coursera doubled its losses in 2021 while valuation decreased in half. Congratulations. Coursera increased his net loss to 145.2 million US dollars, which is near about 35% of revenue in 2021. So in 2021, you lost 145 million as compared to 68.8, take it 69 million in 2020. Total revenue of 2021 was 415 million. So out of 415 million, you lost 145 million. Congratulations, guys. And in 2020, the revenue was 294 million, you can say, and the losses 69 million. Congratulations, Coursera. Coursera financial results announced and the stock reflect negative. Do you know Coursera is now a listed company and their stock is near about $20, you can say, near about $20. In United States, we have seen sequence like Rivian, who is an electric vehicle manufacturer company, many SPACs, which is, a blank check companies. We have, Robinhood. We have many companies who are deeply loss-making companies and approved for IPO. By the way, the same model followed now in India also. And the result. The result is investors are losing. Anyways, let me complete. Since it went public in April 2021, Coursera has lost 56% of its value. 56% of its value. So April 2021, the video is on the 4th April 2022, which means 1 year. In 1 year, Coursera lost 56% of the value. Today, the market capitalization is half of its IPO, 2.77 billion, while the highest valuation it reached is 5.8 billion. Now, who lost it? Strategic investors, private equity firms, venture capitalist firm, the retail investors, probably the depository financial institutions, and all these people who invested in Coursera and who approved Securities and Exchange Commission of United States. And like I said, the same model is now being copied in India also. Paytm, Zomato, Policy Bazaar, Cartrade, Nikia, Delhi Valley got approved, Oyo got approved, Vardhana Solutions, and many such companies. End result, huge losses to the investors. I'm not yet done. Mr. Ken Han, Coursera CFO, said our outlook for 2022 anticipate a revenue growth of 30% on Y, which means you reported 415 million of revenue and you are expecting 120 million more, which is near about 530 million of revenue approximately. Reflecting the long-term demand we continue to see for online learning, the revenue outlook for 2022 is in the range of 536 to 544, like I said, with an EBITDA negative, in the range of 45 to 52 million. I'm not saying this. Coursera CFO is saying this. EBITDA negative. Now, EBITDA negative means EBIT negative. Because what the hell is EBITDA? Earning before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization, which means operating profit including non-cash items. So if EBITDA is negative, common sense is EBIT is also negative. EBIT means operating profit. So if EBIT is negative, the common sense is PAT is also negative. PAT means the bottom line, which means the profit after tax is also negative. If profit after tax is negative, then the common sense is the retained earnings which reflects in the equity side of the balance sheet, is also negative. If the retained earning is negative, it raises a big question, which, by the way, I'm raising since years, and now it has started reflecting in the form of Rivian, Robinhood, Uber, Peloton, Paytm, Zomato, Policy Bazaar, and many such companies, which is, can these great institutions deserve to be going concern because you are loss making? Please. More important thing which is coming here, which I would like to reflect, is the enterprise revenue for fourth quarter was 35.9, 72% from a year ago. So whole practice, whether this is Paytm, Zomato, Swiggy, Policy Bazaar, Nikea, Car Trade, and all, Robinhood, Rivian, Peloton, Uber, Ola, and all these great is revenue. Where the hell is profit? We do not know. Take my words. Sooner or later, this business model to collapse. By the way, this business model already collapsed. And the investors worldwide, I repeat, investors worldwide are losing. And this, by the way, is Coursera. Coursera. And guys, I repeat, to those who are writing to me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Treasury Consulting is not Coursera. We are profitable company. We don't chase revenue. We add value in our product and let customer pay the price which we want. So next time when you see Coursera, remember this. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting Group. You knew my personal number, 9899242978. 9899242978. Have a great time ahead.